Good day, sir, and everyone. My name is Raven, and together with my group members, Eliza, Clarice, Nerissa, Jenny Rose, Raquel, and Andre, we are Lumina Coalition. Our website is all about advocacy, which is ang advocacy po namin ay tumulong sa mga sexual offense survivor, and we exist to bring light into the darkest places, turning pain into power and silence into solidarity. At kung may concern po kayo about sa website namin, feel free to message sa aming email, luminacoalition@gmail.com.
Ang purpose po ng aming advocacy ay magbigay ng sapat na tulong sa mga survivor ng sexual offense. Hangad din po namin na may paramdam sa kanila na hindi sila nag-iisa, na may handang makinig sa kanila.
Our advocacy is about addressing sexual violence, a serious issue affecting many. Victims often suffer in silence due to fear, shame, or judgment. We want to make it clear that sexual violence is not okay and support survivors. They need to know they are not alone and their voices matter.
Vision po namin is to create a secure and care online space where survivor can get help right away and hope for healing. So yung vision po namin, gumawa ng ligtas o maalagang site, webpage, kung saan maaaring tumakbo yung mga nakaranas ng mga sexual harassment at makahingi ng tulong. Yung sa mission naman namin is to provide a safe place to ask for help. Sa mission po namin is makatulong nga po at palapit po sila sa mga professional at makakapagpatiwalaan tulong upang hindi nila maramdaman na nag-iisa sila.
Having explored the other parts of our website, we'll now turn to the services. Our services includes legal information and advice, where we help survivors na maging feel secured by helping them na magkaroon ng maayos na lawyer and protection and give them a professional advice.
Sa trauma therapy po, nagpo-provide po kami dito ng group therapy, therapist, mga therapist kung kailangan, and also mga counseling. Nagbibigay po kami ng ganitong program para sa mga taong naapektuhan ng traumas para malaman nila na hindi sila nag-iisa.
We have resilience intervention kung saan tinutulungan namin ang mga physical abuse survivors na malagpasan ang kanilang mga traumas. Ang victimhood to narrative ay pagtulong sa survivors na hindi makita ang sarili bilang biktima, kundi bilang may lakas at kakayahang maghilom. Binibigyan sila ng pagkakataong ikwento ang kanilang karanasan sa paraang nagbibigay diin sa pagbangon at pag-asa.
Overall, in building our website, we used basic HTML elements such as head and body to structure the web page. Nav to guide users through different sections, section, div, and UL to organize content clearly, H2 for headings, and footer for important information at the bottom of the page. We also included script to support interactive features that improve user experience.
If they want to share this story naman, pwede sila, pinutin lang nila to, and yan, ilalagay nila yung name nila, contact info, at paano sila matutulungan. Huwag silang mag-alala kasi hindi namin i-reveal yung identity nila if gusto nila. Magiging confidential po ang bawat policy namin.